Agents can reason, they can call APIs and execute code, but the moment they need a new service that they don't have, they hit a wall, right? They can't sign up for an account, they can't verify an email, and they can't type in a credit card. That's why we're very excited about x402 as this last missing payments primitive that the agents currently don't have.
We see tool use friction as really being one of the key kind of preventative mechanisms for agents to reach their full potential. Our really kind of big, hairy, audacious goal is to kill the API key and replace it with a mechanism where the client side authorizes usage through a signature.
Apify is the largest marketplace of web automation tools for agents. And as of today, we're bringing this entire community into the x402 ecosystem so agents can discover and pay for Apify tools at runtime without having to provision an account and without needing credentials. It really is this step change expansion of the x402 ecosystem because up until now, most of the providers on x402, they only provide one single purpose-built capability, while we're bringing this entire community-driven marketplace of these long-tail tools into the system that we think the agents and users will benefit from massively.
I think Apify is such an exciting addition to the x402 ecosystem because it enables agents to procure and access all types of really rich content that's accessible over the web. And so short-form video data, social data, agents can now discover, request, and pay for that data in a way that solves real problem for users in the creative space, the trading space, and other kinds of complex workflows where agents need to bundle together multiple API calls to solve a problem for the user. Really, when it comes to agent deployments, context is king. And so we see this in kind of the creative asset side. If you want to build a viral video using GPU inference, that really hits on a hot topic, kind of like social principle, you need real-time context. You know what's funny in the social zeitgeist to be able to make that video. And so if we can give social sentiment to those agents and enable them to make better trading decisions, that's a big unlock potential for traders.
For trading, you cannot rely only on data from the markets nowadays. They give you one side of the story, but to get the full picture, you really need to know what's the chatter around these tickers.
I think every trader, especially in our ecosystem, is looking for that edge. And when it comes to agentic trading, the context is the edge. And so the ability to access real-time context, qualitative signals, and combine those qualitative signals with quantitative signals, those two signals form a really awesome wave that hopefully agents will be able to surf down when making agentic trades. The economics of the internet are shifting. So I think we'll move from really a seat-based or license-based model into a core pay-as-you-go model.
We think this is where the entire SaaS business model is headed. Neither the users nor the agents want to provision and pay for something that they might not use later. So we think x402 enables this fully pay-as-you-go model where the user sets a ceiling for the agent, what it can spend, and then get results and pay for only what it uses.
I think these types of economic models are a natural fit for agents, and they're a natural fit for headless APIs or merchants that are offering their service to agents without the need for a checkout flow.
The entirety of our marketplace is community-driven. It's independent developers who sort of monetize their code and publish it on our marketplace. So we're very excited that with x402, we give them this whole new distribution channel and a new economic player that they can sell to, which is the agents.
At Coinbase, we're also very excited about the creator economy. We've already seen kind of the solo developer, create a billion-dollar business. I think what we're both really excited about is the zero-person developer, the agent creating a monetizable service on the web that really creates economic value for its users in a way that I don't think has quite been done yet. So I think all these new types of business models are becoming more and more accessible to individuals, to small teams and companies through services like Apify and others within the x402 marketplace. Openness is really a key foundational principle of x402. Not only is x402 open source, but it's also open governance driven through the Linux Foundation. The web itself is an open primitive that's aligned around HTTP, and we think agentic payments need to operate the same way. We don't think any single payment service provider or network or individual company should be able to determine the fate of what's accessible to agents from a context and tool calling perspective.
Apify is very much about the open web. We really stand behind the principles of open source and open web. That's why we felt we could bet our entire marketplace on x402.
I think this alignment around kind of open source principles and open discovery and open ecosystem is going to make for a great partnership between Apify and the x402 community.